Hey guys, it's Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel, Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, in honor of my mother's birthday, we will be making a gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free chocolate cake. For the cake part of this recipe, you will be needing 5 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of melted ghee, 1/3 cup of creamed honey, 2 cups minus 2 tablespoons of full-fat coconut milk, 2 1/4 cups of almond flour, 3/4 cups of coconut flour, a half cup of cacao powder, and 2 1/8 teaspoons of baking soda and a half teaspoon of salt. To start, you are going to need to combine your eggs, ghee, coconut milk, honey, and vanilla. In a separate bowl, we are going to combine our almond flour, coconut flour, cacao powder, baking soda, and salt. Now we're going to whisk them all together. We are now going to slowly add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. Here I have a cake pan that has been greased with ghee, and I lined the bottom with parchment paper to help avoid sticking, and I'm just going to go and pour my batter on in there. So here I have my beautiful cake, and we're just going to go and pop this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Now I'm just going to leave the cake in the freezer for around 1 hour to go and chill so it won't crumble when I go to ice it. And also, I went and cut the cake in half so I can stack it to make a 2-layered cake. Now let's make our icing. So for the icing, you will need 1 cup of lard, 1 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 6 tablespoons of cacao powder. We are going to start by creaming together our lard and our honey. Now let's add in our vanilla extract. And now I'm going to add my cacao in a little bit at a time. Now it's time to ice the cake. We are just going to take some icing and plop it near the center like this. And we're just going to take a spatula and we're going to spread it out to cover the entire top of the cake. And now we're just going to go and put this piece of cake on top, and then we're going to continue icing it like what we did before. Then to do the sides, you're just going to take the knife and spread it upwards, and then you take the flat end of the knife and you just smooth it out.
Let's try this cake. It looks delicious. That is so good. It's nice and moist and chocolatey, and the icing is fantastic. Good job.
Thanks for watching my video. If you have any suggestions on what I should make in the future, please comment down below. Bye!